Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, we're gonna buy, oh god, I'm lagging. We're gonna buy, um, tier 12 now. Alright. Okay, so, yeah. Um, let's do it. Let's do it! So laggy. This video is just gonna be me buying a tier 12 egg. Oh, look, that girl looks like she has a unicorn horn. Oh, wait, she does. Oh, yeah. Geisha. Yeah, boy. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm just kidding. Alright. Oh, my God. I got a Fire King. Oh, my God. Fire King is so OP! Oh! Okay, I think I'm gonna replace Fire King with this dude. Put back. Electric Slime. Oh my god. Fire King. I got a Fire King now. Oh my god. I'm lagging bad now. Whippin' nay. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Maybe I'll do a face reveal soon. Bye.